Educate yourself. Before you begin trading, educate yourself about the Forex market. Learn the basics, including how currency pairs work, what influences exchange rates, and the different trading strategies. There are many online resources, courses, and books available for learning about Forex trading. Select a reputable Forex broker. Choose a reputable and regulated Forex broker. Look for a broker with a user-friendly trading platform, competitive spreads, and good customer support. Open a trading account. After selecting a broker, sign up for a trading account. You may need to provide personal information and documentation for identity verification. Fund your account. Deposit funds into your trading account. The amount you deposit depends on your risk tolerance and trading strategy. Be aware of minimum deposit requirements and ensure you have sufficient capital to cover your trading positions. Develop a trading plan. Create a trading plan that outlines your goals, risk tolerance, and trading strategy. Decide how much you're willing to risk on each trade and set clear entry and exit points. Your plan should also include risk management strategies, such as setting stop-loss and take-profit orders. Start trading. Begin trading by executing your trades on the Forex platform. Use the knowledge and strategy you've acquired to make informed trading decisions. Monitor the markets, manage your positions, and stick to your trading plan. Join our community now and master the markets.